Hi guys, Noah Carspecken, Iowa Fire Control and IFC Security. Going to talk to you real quickly about vehicle fire suppression system hydro testing. The three main items that are taken care of at a hydrostatic test. We're not going to look at inspection just on the actual hydrostatic test. There's always going to need to be an inspection done at the same time. But on the hydrostatic test, we want to inform you and make sure that you know what's supposed to be done. One of the biggest pieces that's always forgotten is the actuation line. So that would be your point of actuation right here, if it's not an electric system and it's an actuated system that has an expellent cartridge, nitrogen or CO2, that actuation line has to be hydrostatically tested at the same time as your cylinder and as your expellent and actuation cartridges. So three things need to be done when there's a hydrostatic test on your vehicle fire suppression system that are not done regularly on a semi-annual maintenance. One, the cylinder is filled full of water and pressurized at 3 times the operating pressure. 2, the actuation lines must be either hydrostatically tested or replaced. Usually they're replaced, but it depends if your service company has the ability to do so. Lastly is the expellent and actuation cartridges. Every system, even an electric system, is still going to have an expellent cartridge. An actuation cartridge is the actual actuation of the system. When you hit that red button, it punctures a cylinder, and then that actuates the expellent cartridges. If I'm talking way above your head, just remember these 3 things that need to be tested. One is your cylinder must be hydrostatically tested, 1 or more. 2 is your expellent and actuation lines must be tested. And then 3 is your expellent and actuation cartridges. All 3 of those things must be either hydrostatically tested or replaced. If you don't know, ask your service company if it's been done. Most of the time those lines are not replaced, and that's one of the biggest deficiencies we find when we go in and do an inspection on a vehicle fire suppression system. If you have any questions about vehicle fire suppression, please feel free to reach out. You can email us at info@iowafirecontrol.com. You can certainly go online, www.iowafirecontrol.com. Check us out on Facebook or Twitter. Post any questions and let us know if there's any other videos that you'd like to see on vehicle fire suppression or any other fire and life safety. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.